the coaster as quickly and safely as possible, pulling your harness down to your waist and buckling your safety belt.
Por favor, entre a la montaña rusa lo más rápido y precavido posible.
Alright, we all fit. Oh, I get the big boy seat. The double belts.
Please stand behind the white line. The gates are now closing.
Por favor, párense atrás de la línea blanca. Las puertas cerrarán en estos momentos.
I have internet. It says Superman, where I regret it, and I'm on it.
You always ask. One more time? No. Never gotten that fun little street. Back in my hometown, there's something very similar to my car.
Okay,
Is that Thunderbird or Lightning?
but that we meet all the time.
Lightning Bird.
That's just my eyes. I definitely drilled on myself. Ew. Nah.
As the coaster comes to a complete stop, unbuckle your safety belt, lift up on your safety harness, and watch your step as you exit to your left, taking all personal belongings with you. Thank you and enjoy your day here at Busch Gardens.